Are you thinking about shopping on Tnauys.com? Before you proceed, let's take a closer look at what this website is all about. Tnauys claims to offer stylish and high-quality travel products like DIY travel sets and organizers, designed to make your journeys more comfortable. Their promises of trendy designs and excellent quality might sound tempting, but there are several concerns you should know about before making a purchase. First, this website is very new, having been registered only on September 24th, 2024. While being new isn't inherently bad, it does mean there's no track record or customer feedback to trust. On top of that, many of the images on the site appear to be copied from other sources, which raises questions about whether they actually have the products they're advertising. A genuine business usually showcases original images to build trust with customers. Another concern is their contact information. There's no phone number listed, and while they provide a physical address, that address is already linked to multiple other websites. This kind of overlap is a major red flag and can indicate a lack of authenticity. Furthermore, their legal pages lack critical details about the company's operations, leaving potential customers uncertain about their rights or what to expect. When looking for reviews, there's nothing to find. No customer feedback on the website or on trusted platforms like Trustpilot. Legitimate businesses typically have at least some form of customer interaction or reviews. Adding to the concerns, Tnauys.com has no presence on social media, which is unusual for a modern business. Considering these red flags, it's better to stay away from Tnauys.com until they establish a solid reputation and address these issues. Without verified reviews or transparency, trusting this website could be risky.